I'd like to
Hello,
order some
sir.
shit out of your catalog.
Okay.
I need 3 of these TVs.
Hold on, sir. The
371. The cash register should be on. 5 o'clock. You've been open for several hours. Fucking cashiers. They're all whores. Like that fucking dick in your mouth. Please take that out. You're sickening me, bitch. Oh. Tough fucking day, bitch! Fucking
I'm
cashier.
sorry, sir.
Today! Don't cry on me, whore. Try again. Fuck you. Fucking today, thank you. Again, I want another. You can hit item before that. I know. My cousin works here. Again? Quick! Item! Do you need me to do it for you? What's my total?
$397.
Okay, give me number 358.
You're over your limit.
No, I'm not. Give me number 358.
358 electronics. $79.50.
Let me go with something nice for my wife. Off to the purse. Look. Take that.
Done? Press
No.
5 more items.
I'm not done.
Fashion. $89.50.
Give me that.
Start to end up.
Shut up!
Start to end the video.
No.
Electronics.
Okay, that's it, bitch.
$70. Your total is $990.25. Can your Barbie savings come?
Why'd you throw that?
I'm sorry.
$99.
Oh my god.
Your total is $891.
It happened last time.
Cash or charge?
Cash every time!